Kitabul Iman.
باب المسلم من سلم المسلمون من لسانه ويده. حدثنا آدم بن أبي إياس قال حدثنا شعبة عن عبد الله بن أبي السفر وإسماعيل عن الشعبي عن عبد الله بن عمر رضي الله عنهما عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: المسلم من سلم المسلمون من لسانه ويده والمهاجر من هجر ما نهى الله عنه. Narrated Abdullah ibn Amr. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands. And a muhajir, emigrant, is the one who gives up, abandons all what Allah has forbidden." The authentication, takhrij of this hadith, was done by Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal in his book Takhrij Ummahat Sitta. The details are as follows. There are a total of 53 hadiths on this subject, and 24 of them are narrated by Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, and 13 of them are narrated by An Abi Musa, may Allah be pleased with him, and 7 of them are narrated by An Jabirin, may Allah be pleased with him, and 9 hadiths are reported by various narrators. Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of Hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.